Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single crochet shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I did make regular single crochet stitches. And on the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain. I have tutorials on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I'm going to go ahead and skip this first stitch right here. I'm going to be working my shell into this second stitch. The reason being is shells are very wide, so you need to give them a little bit of room. If you end up working them too close together, they can start waving your work. Okay, I'm going to work a single crochet shell into this. And shell stitches are basically just a bunch of stitches worked into the same stitch or space. So I'm going to work 5 single crochet into this stitch right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm going to skip one. I'm going to work a single crochet here. The reason I'm doing that is just to anchor that stitch down. And I'm then going to skip one. I'm going to work a shell into this. So I'm going to work 5 into this stitch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip one. I'm going to single crochet here. You can make your shells bigger than this too. I just chose 5 for this tutorial, but you can go 6, 7, 8, whatever you want to do for your project. Alright, I'm going to work a shell into this next stitch. I'm going to skip this one, work it into here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to skip this one, work a single here, skip, and then I'm going to work my last shell here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to slip stitch into this last stitch. And that is going to be how to make the single crochet shell stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future tutorials or videos that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.